Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today is February 21st, it's Wednesday, and it is right now 76 degrees outside my house. The other day when I put my video up on Sunday with my planner video, we had about 5 inches of snow, which is now completely gone. So I thought today would be a great day to run out to the Dollar Tree. You guys have probably seen a lot of this stuff, because I was watching these being hauled when we were all homesick with the flu a few weeks ago, and I was really afraid I wasn't going to be able to find any, because the first trip I made to the Dollar Tree I found maybe 1 or 2 things for the fairy garden stuff, but I went back today and they had everything in stock and I was so excited, except the mushrooms. I still have not found them. So I'm going to jump right in here and show you guys what I picked up. Sorry if you've already seen all these, but I'm so excited that I got to find them and I can start working on my fairy garden. So the first thing I got was this little table with the chairs. Actually, I picked up 2 by accident, but it'll probably work out good because I got a lot of the little figures that go with it. So I got 2 of those. I got the cute little bridge. I thought that's so cute. I got the little welcome sign. That's real cute. That does have a couple little mushrooms on it. I'm still on the hunt for those. I'm going to have to take a trip. Usually the Dollar Tree, it's about half an hour away from here. It's a really big one. They have tons of stuff that I never see around here. So I think I'm going to have to take a trip over there one of these days this week and see if they might have them. And then I got the little outhouse because, you know, your little gnomes and fairies need to go potty. And then I got this cute little house with the leaf roof. I thought that was really cute. And that has a bunch of the mushrooms on it too, but I want the mushrooms. So I'm going to have to go on a hunt for those. And this looks really good. This looks really like wood. I was very surprised on how nice that these were made. So I got one of those. And then I found this little house that's covered in leaves, little tree. I thought that's really cute. I can't tell what's above the little door there. Oh, it's a little lantern. That's sweet. It's a little black. I don't know if you can see that too good, but there's a little lantern above the door. And then I got this little windmill. I thought that's cute. That's kind of looks like just a bunch of vines that are put together on that. That's really cute the way that one's made too. And they look very real up close. So I got that one, and then I got this one as another little hut for my little fairies and gnomes. I thought that was really sweet. And then I picked up this is kind of like a little gazebo. And that was all of the little houses and things that I found. I don't know if there's any more of those. And then I gotta put my glasses on because these are tiny. This is for the fairy garden figurines. And this has like a little watering can and a bird bath and a little wheelbarrow. So I got one of those. And then I found, this has a little owl and a turtle and a snail. So now I just have to figure out how I'm going to set all these up. So I really like to have this outside, but I got to figure out how it's not going to get destroyed with the rain. And these are just a bunch of little gnomes. There's 3 of those guys in there, and a little girl gnome. And then I found these little tiny mushrooms and a little watering thing here and a little flower. So I thought that was real cute. And then I got the pack of the little fairies. There's 3 of those in there. So I was so happy that they had all this stuff. Because like I said, the other day I went, I couldn't find any of the figurines, but they were completely stocked up. I think that's it for the little fairy figurines. And then I picked up 2 bags of the moss. I want to use that in my fairy garden. I have the moss, I have some stones I want to use. And I don't know what else yet. I gotta kind of set this up and figure out how I want to make it, and then I'll share that with you guys. And then for Easter stuff, I picked up this little Pom-Pom Kit. It makes 6 little pom-pom bunnies, but I'm not going to use it for that. I have another project I wanted to use these for. This will work out perfectly for that. Hopefully I'll get that up by the end of this week. And then I got these little 10-piece of the egg picks. And this is also going to be another cute little DIY I want to do this week, hopefully. Because I'm all about the Easter stuff now. I'm so tired of winter and snow, and I'm ready for spring. So we're going to start doing that. And then I picked up this cute, cute, cute little bunny erasers. There's 8 in here, and I thought that would be great for some friend mail. I thought they were just adorable. You could just set them up. I might even, no, I don't know how I would do that on a paper clip, but that would be really cute. I can figure that out. And then I picked up a pack of the Easter pencils. I don't know what's on these because I can't see without my glasses. It's one that just says happy, happy, happy with little chicks in the middle here, and then there's happy Easter bunnies. And these have the butterflies, and this one just is pink with the pretty Easter eggs on it. And you get 12 of those for $1. And then I picked up a roll of the duct tape for some of my friend mail packages. And let's see. Oh, this is also, I picked this up. I don't even want the pot, but I want these little flowers here. What are these? These are lavender. And then I picked up a bunch of the lavender. So I thought these would be cute to just take these off and use these as little flowers in my fairy garden. So that was the other thing I got for my fairy garden. And then I picked up a pack of these little floral foam balls. There's 3 pieces of the 0.9 inch, 3 of the 1 1/4 inch, and 2 of the 1.9 inch. And I just need these, I think it's this size. I'm guessing those are the 1 1/4 inch that I want to use for my DIY coming up this week. So I found those. And then I found these cute clips. Excuse me, the binder clips. And I haven't seen these before in my Dollar Tree. They're really pretty. They have hearts and stripes and flowers and stars. And they're just really pretty colors. I don't know if anybody else has hauled these before, but this was new to me. They just usually had the plain different colored ones. But I like these a lot. So those will probably go out in some friend mail too. And then I picked up another pack of the 8 blank notes. This says, a little note to say hi. I thought those were really cute to send in some friend mail and write a little note in. And then I got some more stickers. Oh, I got lots of stickers there. So I picked up these. These are 5 of the Jot stickers of the flowers, and they have like little hair hanging off that. It has like a little clear crystal in the center. And then I picked up 2 packs of these flowers stickers. There's 6 in there, and it has a real pretty like shiny gold gem there in the middle. And I thought these would be great to do some of the paper clips, and these will look really cute on the gold paper clips that I used. So I actually picked up 2 more of those, because the last time I went I could only find 1, but I found these at a different Dollar Tree. And then I've seen people hauling these shaker stickers, but this is the first time our Dollar Tree has had them. We are like really behind the times here. But this one has little cats and dogs, and they're really cute, and they're all a little shaker. So I like those a lot. And then I got these have the unicorns. And the one says, just be magical. It's all rainbows and unicorns, and there's one with a star and a heart, and they're really cute. So I got a pack of those. I hope you can see those without the glare. Then these are the ones with the donut. It says, you're so sweet. I love you, this many sprinkles. Treat yourself. And I thought those were really cute stickers to do. Maybe, you know, use some in some pocket letters or something. I'm not sure yet, but I wanted to grab these before they disappeared again because I haven't been able to find those. And then I actually picked up 2 packs of these stickers. There's the 9 count, and I think these look cute. They're kind of like a vintage looking sticker for some pocket letters or whatever. Cards. These would be great to, you know, do some card making with and stuff. And then I picked up a cute, these are so cute. These are the pop-up stickers. There's 23 in here. And I thought these would be great for some spring projects. I thought they were just adorable. And then I also got another pop-up sticker, 15 count. And these are kind of all like woodland animals. And I thought that would be really cute too. And then I also picked up 2 packs of the butterfly stickers, and it has some ladybugs and things in there. But I was making pocket letters and things the other day, and I just ran out of butterfly stickers, so I picked up 2 packs of those. And then I found this pen. I hadn't seen these before. I don't know if it's, oh, it does write in black ink. I thought this was really cute for some friend mail or something. It's got this real big pom-pom on the top, and then the whole thing is nice and fuzzy. I'm not even sure how you get, oh, I think this just pops off. Ah, there you go. This just has a little cap on it. I was wondering how the ink came out. It looked like it would come right out the bottom. Alright, I thought that was real cute. And I love the colors on there. Then I picked up a pack of the Tootsie Roll Pops, because these are actually going to be in a DIY that I'm doing. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for those there. And then I found another new washi that's new to my store, and this one is the one, it's orange and it has all kinds of little pencils on it. And I haven't seen this one before at all. And of course, you know, there was one, but I got it. And then I picked up 2 more packs of the glue tape. I've seen people holding the really big, I'm going to take these off now so I can see, the really big glue tapes. They were a nice large size, but our Dollar Tree still doesn't have these. But these work really great, so I picked up 2 more packs of these, and I like to use these when I'm making my pocket letters and stuff. It just makes it so much easier. And then I picked up 2 packs of these little organizing trays. These are the ones that I want to use in, I don't know if you can see it from my big box here that I got for my stamps. And so there's 6 of those, and I'm hoping the stamps will fit in there nice. I know a lot of them will. And then I can just stack them and try to keep them organized, you know, like for different holidays or whatever. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. I don't think I got anything else. Sometimes I put things elsewhere. But yeah, that's it. So I think I am going to wrap up this video and maybe get outside and enjoy some of this almost 80-degree weather today. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I can't talk anymore, so I gotta go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.